We are here with Professor Lopez at the Marine Engineering Program in Broward College. I know the scenery is a little different. Typically, we're out on the water, but we're going to learn a little bit behind the scenes with Professor Lopez, which I'm really excited about. So tell me a little bit about the Marine Engineering Program and kind of what you guys offer for people.
Thank you, Olivia. Welcome to this Marine Engineering Program. This is a unique program in South Florida. This is a program focused in medium, big, and mega yachts, pleasure boats. In this program, the students learn how to repair, how to fix it, how to maintain a good boat in good condition. This is the future of the business in South Florida, the boats.
The full Marine Engineering Program takes less than 2 years to complete. And being it's at Broward College, it's very affordable.
It's a complete program. We study the boat completely, the electrical, the electronics, the gasoline, the diesel, the hydraulic, the air condition, corrosion, composite material. It's a complete program. When the students finish this program, they work in a mega yacht like a first engineer or second engineers. This is wonderful.
See, that's exciting. Mr. Lopez says the program is not just about maintenance. Many of the graduates go on to own or run marinas and become managers, even CEOs for various marine companies.
There are a lot of branches in this business. It's huge. And in all of them, the student can make a great career.
And the future is bright for the marine industry. Mr. Lopez is preparing his students for the future of boating, something you may only think is for cars.
The future of this program is hybrid and electric boats.
Mr. Lopez showed us the fully functional hybrid conversion project he and his classes designed. As Mr. Lopez explained and showed us, a gas engine had been replaced by a battery-powered electric motor with the very same torque as the gas motor would have had. But now the batteries can be charged either from shore power or by generator or even by solar panels.
And now I have a boat with electric motors.
And it just works as easy as that. In the short time that I spent with Professor Lopez, I could sense his excitement for teaching and sharing his knowledge of boats and marine systems with his current and future students. You can see and hear his satisfaction when his students succeed.
Okay, guys.
If Mr. Lopez is the captain of the Marine Engineering Program, then his first officer would be Professor Rodriguez. The day we were touring the Marine program, Mr. Rodriguez was welcoming a new class on their first day of orientation.
Hey, welcome guys to the Marine Engineering Program. My name is Professor Rodriguez. I'll just give you a quick rundown in where my experience and what I am. I have my own company. It's called Real Local Marine. It's in Pompano Beach. I've owned that company since 2002. Still working on it today. I teach at the college in the last 5 years in the morning. I work in the afternoon at my shop, and I also build boats at night.
Just like Mr. Lopez, Mr. Rodriguez owns and runs a very successful marine business. Both professors bring their years of experience to class with them every single day. You've heard the saying, those who can, do, and those who can't, teach. Well, that's not the story here. These two guys know their business well and are willing to share it with the future of the industry.
We understand that some of you don't have the skills or the knowledge, and that's okay. That's what we're here for.
Professor Rodriguez even took a little time to share how they teach marine electrical systems with me. Students learn by hands-on building and rebuilding electrical systems from scratch.
Basically what we do is we have one group take each board apart, and then I swap the groups so they don't put the same board back together. And then they can redesign the boards how they want, So this is one of the designs. So basically the wiring on the backside, like you saw over there, basically the wire, and then we just got to get all the components working.
The Marine program at Broward College offers a wide range of opportunities to learn different skills in the industry. And the students that join the program come from just as wide a range, from husbands and wives that want to be do-it-yourselfers to students like Ashley and George.
This program at Broward College, I've been thinking about it for a couple years, and finally it's been calling to me just because they give you such an in-depth knowledge base for the marine industry, and you earn 4 or 5 certificates at the end of this program. So it just made sense as a captain and someone, as a woman specifically in this industry, just wanting to climb ahead as best as I can.
There was a gap in my knowledge and a gap in my theory. Like there's a lot of things that I just, like, I had so many questions and I just wanted to get those answers.
We think George is right, and he came to the right place to get those answers. And Professor Rodriguez agrees.
I think this is something that who's mechanically inclined and likes the outdoors and the boating industry. This is a perfect opportunity to learn a new skill set and make good money, because there's a huge demand in this field. There's just not enough skilled workers for it.
That's what we've been hearing. So if you're wanting to get your hands dirty, you want to get in, make good money right away, definitely come to Broward College and come to the Marine Engineering program.
Thank you.